Hey everybody, welcome back to the Clinical Trials Guru. Hopefully you can hear me loud and clear through my mask. But I got Dr. Al here from California Research Institute, CRI. And we were talking earlier about what kind of problem CRI is trying to solve in the industry. And one of the biggest problems, Dr. Al, is lack of patient enrollment of research naive patients. And that's because their physicians are hesitant to refer to studies. And so you see CRI as being able to be a bridge sort of between patients getting in and the physicians that are research naive trusting you to do the studies or help them do the studies. What do you think about this? Because what's the conversations you've been having with these physicians that are not doing research but are interested?
CRI niche idea started like almost when I joined Complete Care, and I've been trying to recruit patients from Complete Care. Complete Care is a community clinic that have more than 15,000 patients. Okay, I've been trying to do a CRI as multi-specialty research site for almost whatever studies we can help the patient with. And mainly like reaching out for the physician that's inside the Complete Care or reaching out for the physician outside the Complete Care, it is challenging because physician in general, they don't have time.
They don't have time. That's the biggest objection you've come across with physicians is, hey, Dr. Al, I don't have time to do research.
Even with financial incentives, it will be very difficult for them to do that. So that's why I created through CRI, bringing into the physician clinic and the clinical coordinator, the study and everything, and this clinical coordinator will be able to screen the patient from that side and enrolling it in the study through under the umbrella of CRI. That's my
California Research Institute.
Yes, California Research Institute. That's what I've been trying to do, trying to expand the patient base that we have here in CRI.
And these physicians who you are putting CRI coordinator and resources into their offices, would they ever want to do their own site without you? Like, that's a risk for you, right?
No, it's actually not risk or anything. More than happy to help them in building out their own site, and that's why me and you and Chris, we reach out to do the PI Academy for them.
Right.
Okay, they want to help. If they're ready to do their own site and they want to learn how to do it, we can do it for them through PI Academy.
PI Academy, and we have another company where we do more hand-holding if they actually want to start their own clinic. But as far as the ones that you're working with, it's going to be just under the CRI umbrella. So they're basically like contractors or employees, right?
We get the contract consultation services for research to their clinic, and they get reimbursed for us leasing their space and looking into their patients for that, and it's all covered under HIPAA.
And if but the physicians would be like your contractor basically for CRI, like an independent contractor.
Exactly, they'll get fees for independent contractor for the CRI, and all the information that the study run goes to through the CRI protocols.
And if you're able to pull this off successfully, you're going to start in Southern California, I'm assuming, because there's a lot of opportunities here. But do you think a lot of physicians would be interested in this? Because they don't have the time, they don't necessarily want to open their own research clinic, but they do want to do research. So do you think you have a lot of opportunities with this?
Actually, I've been approaching some physicians like in my community here, and I see like positive sign. But again, if you do not delegate a clinical coordinator for that clinic to look into the patient, okay, it will be very difficult to recruit patient.
So that's where you come in and say, hey, I know how to do the budgets, the regulatory, I have the coordinator, everything we take care of with CRI. So basically like a SMO model.
SMO model, exactly, but on a larger scale, because not just providing the study, the clinical coordinators and everybody that can run the study for that physician.
The expertise and the infrastructure.
And building up infrastructure for the physician, and if he would like to go ahead and do his own site after that, more than happy to walk him through that through the PI Academy.
PI Academy and the other company we're gonna have set up, which doesn't have a name yet, but it will get a name. We know what name it's not gonna get, but we have to find the name that it will get.
Yes.
All right, good. Thank you very much, Dr. Al. Let's see how this works out. We'll do more videos with you as the years go on.
Thank you, Dan.
Thank you, everybody.